But true or false, all components in an aircraft are reviewed for its overall NDAA compliance.
Dan, we're at about 50-50 right now.
Okay, 50-50.
Uh-huh.
All right. So the answer is false. Not everything is considered a critical component, but there are some complicators that have been changed recently with respect to the FCC that we'll get to at the end that can lead to some confusion there. So, an aircraft is broken down into the following eight critical components that I've got on the screen here. Anything that does not fall into one of these eight categories is not actually covered by the NDAA, and therefore its compliance is not critical at the moment. Now, that does not mean that the NDAA couldn't change in the future, and there's a potential that in 2026 or in 2027 we might see some of the important things that are missing on this list, like motors, added later.